What is going on YouTube? Hayden back making another brand new Crypto TV episode. In today's video, we are going to be looking at XRP, Ethereum, Bitcoin, as well as the S&P 500. It's been a pretty hectic weekend. We had a long weekend with President's Day yesterday. I appreciate everybody, and I hope everybody had a great weekend and a great President's Day. And I appreciate all the birthday wishes that I had, as my birthday was Sunday, and I turned the big 25, which is still, I'm still trying to process being older. 25 is, it's very weird to think about, but I don't want to go into that right now. But yes, we've had a lot of crazy stuff this weekend. I've had a very busy weekend celebrating my birthday and then moving my apartments from one apartment to another apartment. And then today I have to change and move everything from this room to my new apartment and so on and so forth. It's a lot of crazy stuff back and forth. I also went to Copart, a salvage lot, and found supercars buried away in like sand dunes. It's pretty incredible. I found them and it's pretty vivid, it's pretty wild, it's incredible. So that will be posted on my second channel eventually, but this week I need to move all this stuff over, so at some point I'll be able to work on that stuff. But it's a lot of stuff that I got to get done, which is good. I like to stay busy, but to get back on track, we are talking about cryptocurrency, and a lot of interesting things happened over the weekend. With the stock market being closed on Monday, today is now Tuesday, it's definitely shaking things up as we need to kind of figure out what exactly is going on within the markets. As you guys know, over the past couple of days, we've been making videos referencing the fact that we've not only discovered these kind of bear flags that have been forming on, the bull flags that have been forming on cryptocurrency, on XRP specifically, for quite some time now. Actually, I'd say going back almost a week now, we found these kind of bull flags forming here, but we are waiting for a bullish rally to the upside, although we might see a correction first prior to seeing any sort of significant swings to the upside here. So that's what we really need to talk about today, as a lot of these cryptos are starting to see some kind of wonky movements. XRP is stuck between a rock and a hard place. Ethereum is stagnating above its major resistance, above its price ceiling. Bitcoin is doing the same, and the S&P has yet to open, but there's a very, very, very solid chance this could start to correct downwards here, and we need to go over that and discuss all this with you. Although, as though it does not seem like an unlikely scenario, it seems actually quite positive that we could see a dip like this. It's very positive we could see a dip like this, back to moving average, like almost everything to reset back to moving average, including the S&P 500. It's a huge possibility, and it's something we need to go over drastically today. With all that being said, definitely make sure to smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and let's dive into today's episode. So guys, just really quick, checking out the top 10 cryptos. We are still above $1 trillion in global cryptocurrency market cap. We're down 1.46% over the weekend. Since we've had a 3-day long weekend practically, markets have been closed, stock market has been closed. So cryptocurrency, for the most part, kind of just stagnates. We kind of see one of these just trending flatlined out with tons of uncertainty. And you can see that has happened now within Bitcoin. Even though we've seen some hiccups, we have pretty much floated sideways for quite some time. With every major cryptocurrency, I'd say within the top 10 cryptocurrencies, Doge, Cardano, XRP, BNB, Ethereum, Bitcoin have just kind of flatlined sideways, waiting for today and this weekend to kind of do us a solid and kind of figure out where exactly we want to go. So I just want to show you what a bullish flag looks like on crypto really quick, and this is what we get. You can see clearly what a bull flag looks like here in regards to XRP trading. Let me click on maybe images so I can get a better view of this. Here we go. So you can see clear as day here. We have a pull followed by a flag. So pull, consolidation, continuation. Pull, consolidation, continuation. Bitcoin has had a pull, consolidation, and here we are looking for a continuation of the pattern here. So this is very much so bullish. I am very much so bullish on XRP on the daily charts and on the weekly charts. It is just a matter of time, but you can clearly see we have the prevailing trend, which is a pull. Number 2 is the consolidation that we're seeing, which is the flag, and then the continuation, which is number 3. It is literally, really analyze, look at this chart, and then look at this. This is exactly what we're seeing. It's a textbook market right here, a textbook and trend analysis indicator, and we're looking for the continuation pattern right now. We're in the consolidation point. We had the pull, the upwards movement here. We are now creating lower highs and lower lows, slowly filling in the gap, and we are stuck between the rock and a hard place. So we're either going to see a burst here, or we're going to see like a burst here. I don't know which one is to come, but one is definitely coming now. We do have the price ceiling, the correction, or sorry, this is the downtrend, and we have the price ceiling right here. We are definitely, trading inside of here. We're stuck between a rock and a hard place with the downtrend, the price ceiling, and the moving averages. You can see why we're filling this in right here. So a decision might be made this week right where we are, or we're going to correct downwards and then see that breakout to the upside quite soon, which is definitely exciting. It's definitely some exciting news here. So keep your eyes peeled on this. As I've said before, and I'll say it again, in regards to the daily, the prime opportunity to buy in would be, and what I'm waiting for is closure above this. So if we close literally at 40 cents, that's a key opportunity to buy in and long to the upside here. If we close below, good chance we're going to fall. Obviously, we do all of these trades on BidFi, the #1 cryptocurrency leveraging exchange that I like to use here on the channel. I've been using them for over 2 years now. They used to be called Bityard. Now they're called BidFi. Just a quick revamp, refresh for the 2023 New Year's here. They have XRP, like I was saying, that not many exchanges offer, and that's a huge perk towards BidFi. The fact that XRP is offered. They added this a couple years ago, 2 years ago when they first started. I was talking to them. I told them, yo, if you want to continue make this website good, add XRP. They did, and it's been awesome. So definitely make sure to check them out. Link is down in the description. You can buy long on BidFi, sell short, create stop losses, take profits, everything you possibly think of, leverage using margin. It's an incredible website. It gives you all the tools and assets you would need to be successful, and it's all in one place, which is awesome too. So not only that, the best part is they offer this demo account, which really not many exchanges offer. Literally clicking right here from live to demo gives you $100,000 in Monopoly money to test your skills, and it doesn't change anything to the website, and it's super reactive and very easy to use, unlike some other cryptocurrency demo accounts that I've used. But this gives you risk-free trades, and it's completely free to sign up. So you literally, there's no excuse to not. If you want to try trading, if you're into trading, or if you are trading, try using a risk-free method that costs nothing to you. There's zero risk, and you can see how well you actually trade before making some risky decisions. With that being said, if you do decide to sign up with the link down in the description, or you already have, make sure you click welcome rewards right here to earn up to $2,888. With that being said, diving back into the technical analysis here, you can see Ethereum is floating right above its top resistance here. A little unsurprising, we did say, and we have been trending inside the sideways channel for a very long time, as we've done before. I am quite shocked that we broke above major resistance here and didn't kind of break upwards here. We kind of were hesitant about this last week, as we talked about here, but the fact that we're floating right now really gives me the benefit of the doubt. This big thought that, hey, we're probably going to dip lower. There's a good chance that that is going to come, and it's something that you should all be paying attention to, that there is a solid chance that a dip, a correction is necessary, and a pullback is definitely something that we need to pay attention to. The fact that we're nearing overbought and flatlined is not a good sign for breakups. It's usually a sign for breakdowns. Same thing right now where we are here. The fact that we're nearing overbought, you can see volume has clearly died lower here, is a huge sign that this is not going to hold and that a correction could come, and it might pull itself down with none only than the S&P 500, which, as you guys can see, wants to do the same thing too. We closed below a very solid price ceiling. What was acting as a price floor broke through that. There's a good chance we're going to continue this correction down to the downside here, which honestly is not a bad thing, because we finally started to see what could be a reversal pattern forming. We've been in a lower high, lower low pattern for a very long time on the markets, and we finally had what could be a reversal. So after correcting downwards here, we hit a bottom and started to create these higher lows. So there's a chance we could continue this pattern here, as this could be the start. You can see 1, 2, and this could be a third right to moving average, and we could continue this pattern to the upside, continue a bullish trajectory, which is definitely nice. Not only would this move us down a moving average, give us potential to pump even higher than the previous time, Bitcoin would pull down to its moving average, Ethereum would pull down to its moving average, and XRP would, well, let's exclude XRP for right now, but Ethereum, Bitcoin, and the S&P would be doing the same thing. So it's definitely something to consider. With that being said, smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Peace.